In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize and reorder the Photos app on iPhone. So first go ahead and open the Photos app on your iPhone. Once you're inside, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the screen. At the bottom, you'll see an option called Customize and Reorder. Tap on that and it will open a new screen where you can adjust how your Photos app is organized. From here, you can reorder different sections or collections by dragging them up or down based on your preference. This lets you prioritize the sections you use the most so they appear at the top for easier access. You'll also see options to hide or show certain collections. If there are sections you don't really use, you can simply turn them off to keep your Photos app cleaner and less cluttered. This feature is really useful if you want a more personalized experience when browsing your photos. Instead of scrolling through sections you don't need, you can customize everything to match how you actually use the app. Once you're done making your changes, you can just go back and everything will be saved automatically. Your Photos app will now reflect the new layout you set. And that's it. Open Photos, scroll to the bottom, tap Customize and Reorder, and adjust the layout to your liking. So that's how you customize and reorder the Photos app on your iPhone.